Hey everyone, it's Katrina from the Alluring Bead Boutique, and welcome back to my design channel. So today is January the 5th, and I've already had my first big video blooper bundle for the new year. Last week I was recording a couple of videos for my YouTube channel, and I did a whole video on these gorgeous jewelry templates. And somehow it vanished, and I was unable to find it when I went to edit videos today. So here we go. I'm going to do it again. So last week I did a video tutorial, not a tutorial, just a video for you guys. And I introduced this really cool drawing board that I purchased this year to go along with my goals for 2020. I'm going to be learning how to do a little bit more, get more progressive on actual jewelry design and drawing. And so today I'm going to show you this cool little bundle of templates that I got from Amazon. And we'll just go and take a look at them all one by one in a few minutes. But the first thing I want to let you guys know about these templates is that I am totally super happy at how durable they are and how inexpensive they were. By comparison, if you were to go over and take a look at some of the other jewelry supply, your typical jewelry supply places such as Rio Grande, Fire Mountain Gems, and other online suppliers, these things are really, really expensive. You can pay anywhere from $8 to $15 a piece for a good, durable jewelry template. And so on Amazon, I decided to shop around over there, and I hadn't really had much success previously looking around, but this last go around, I've actually got a really good deal. So I got this big bundle of templates, and they came in this really nice little Ziploc storage bag, and I only paid about $12, and I think it was $12.48 or something like that before tax for the whole entire set. So let's just take a look at what we have in here. First of all, we're going to count them out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's actually 11. This one is just for swirls. It's pretty neat. They are marked in, well, I'm going to assume that's Chinese writing, so I can't really read to you what they say, but we'll just go ahead and take a look. So this one here is like the little bonus one that you get. And it is laid out with a lot of different curves and ways for you to draw swirls. And I really like the concept to go along with my drawing board and learning how to make actual jewelry designs this year. This one also has some different curves that you can use to make different curves when you're drawing out your jewelry designs. It also has a lot of abstract type of shapes here, like an elongated diamond type shape this one actually looks like one of the pointed crystal shards that you can buy to make jewelry with. And just some freeform cool little designs. Each one of the, well, not each one, but most of them have the centers marked and both sides and everything, so that when you're designing you can find your center relatively easy. You could use this in conjunction with some graph paper, and that way you can find the perfect center for when you are trying to, say, draw a circle, and then you need to put a smaller circle directly in the center to draw out, say, a bezel set stone or something like that. So it's pretty neat. This one has tons of ovals and varying sizes on it, which is pretty neat. You could also use these for molding polymer clay and just several other things that you can use them for. Each one also has like centimeters along the edge of the straight ones, which is very helpful so that you can shift back and forth when you can use this as your straight edge as you're drawing your center with the circle here. So there's a bunch of round shapes, round circles. This one has some circles, some ovals. These are more of along the cabochon oval, cabochon oval shape, because they're wider on the ends, as you see right there. It also has some curves here, triangles, squares, hexagons, pentagons. I really like this one. This one actually gives you the look of the top of a faceted stone. You have several different sizes of that particular shape, so you can draw out a gemstone. These here mimic the dome of a cabochon. So if you're drawing like the side view of a cabochon piece of jewelry, you could use these shapes right here. And just a variety of other shapes, baguettes, and go all the way to the small here. So there are tons of those on here. Here are some more faceted stones over here. There's varying degrees of sizes of all, and some of them are repetitious, but not too many, so it's pretty good. There's like a lightning bolt, and then a triangle that's divoted in on the end. And all kinds of, there's some other freeform shapes right in here. It's just really nice. There's tons and tons of squares, circles, ovals, rectangles, some diamond shapes. Here are some more of those faceted top settings that go all the way up to a really big size here. That's at least about 1.5 inches wide. And then you get into more of your circles in varying degrees. Your 6-sided figure in varying degrees here. Then you have a lot of different squares and triangles on this one. And then this one is really neat too, because you get varying degrees of a bend on this long rectangular shape. So each one bends just slightly more and slightly more, all the way down to this angle down in here. So it's a really nice set. I'm really interested in trying them out with my new drawing board. I hate that I probably did a little bit better presentation on the first video, but like I said, I pretty much lost that somehow in the last few days. Here are some other plastic drawing tools that I'm going to be including in my drawing tutorials. These actually have inches and centimeters on them. A protractor, some different style of angles on these two. But what I really like even more is that it all comes in this nice little plastic Ziploc carrying case, and I can just put everything in here and store it neatly with my drawing board. Alright guys, so that is just a really quick video. If you guys are looking for some inexpensive templates for drawing out your designs, I will throw the link to this in the description box below, and then you guys, there will be a lot of corresponding blog posts coming in the future this year on how we are actually going to start learning to draw out some jewelry designs. Alright guys, so that is it for today. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more on my design channel here on YouTube, and make sure to go over and follow my blog. There will be no matter what you see here on YouTube, there are always tons more information, videos, and tutorials on the blog. All right, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.